How to camp in a snail.
If you get it wrong, you can always wipe it out.
Yeah. Step 1. Select a gorgeous site, for example, in the Bungle Bungles, 4-wheel drive access only. Step 2 is lower the steps. Don't lose the key. Step 3 is undo the clips. 4 of them.
You might want to close it with a clip thing and
I will. See that? Nifty, eh? There are 4 of those. I've forgotten the number of steps we're up to now, but anyway, the next step is wind up the roof. We get a little hook thing in the drawer and we put that into a little slot thing and then we wind it up. Up goes the roof. Then we've got this little door thing at the back and we sort of clip that in. Notice everything is covered in red dust because we have been travelling for about 50k over the most amazing 4-wheel drive road. But that doesn't matter, does it? Then we push the little top of the door open and clip that. Next we set up by unloading our chairs and table. Oops. There we go. Of course normally I help with this, but I'm the camera person right now. Two little chairs and our table. Ta-da! Now we gotta put the awning down. See the little awning, isn't it cute? It's got zipper. Ta-da! It's quite complicated, but Ray's got it down to a fine art now. I think. There, I've got a bug in my ear. Ugh. Gone. Isn't that cute? We've got to turn on the gas now. Then we just push the little button to turn the fridge on. Cheers!
Cheers. Cheers.
Now when we arrive, after putting the roof up, we have to open our little windows. Here. Oh, we'll do this one first. Okay, now here we've got a cute little table. See, and let's see, we've got a cute little stove and a little sink. And we got over here behind Ray lots of cupboards. And if you move forward, Ray, we got a cute little fridge down there, and the cord is to stop it dancing when we're working, when we're driving. So, how about a cup of tea? And then we just light the little stove, and away she goes. Cool, dude. Wave. Okay. Just to show you, that's our cute little bed up the top there. Yeah, I've got to climb on that sort of step thing to get up in there. Very comfortable.